So then I have to shunt it from 1 to 5. This is our template. Then I have to shunt it from 1 to 5 to check my setting here. I start from 7. Are you getting it? So, but now I have it from, I've put new laser, which is from 1. So I have to take it back from 1. Do you get?
I understand.
Then there's other, we still have some other one that is not there. So, which is, I have to take it till 58. I think it's okay. Right? So that's it.
You've got mail.
So after this, then you click OK.
Parameter template.
Channel àti wọ́n ló ti gbé bẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí rẹ̀. Àti wọ́n ló ti gbé bẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí lẹ́tà this. It's from 1, right?
Yes.
But if you check the one that you have printed out, it will be from, you see, from 26. That is the reason that it's slow. Do you know reason that it's starting from this 26?
No.
That is the disadvantage of if there's anyone shut down at the front.
And the middle.
See where it starts now.
So the here.
You read it started from 26. Most of the one is shorter.
No, it will now pull up all this.
Looking at them as
So
being
that is the reason I don't want to state when you ask me to change, put all those one at the back. Actually, I want to do it, but because of the stress here, I was like, but when you comment about it, so I have to do it.
Because even if you don't do it, you might still go back to that
That
slow.
one down, it will still come from that side also. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So it's better as we achieve this.
No, not delay, very fresh channels.
What is that?
You have a maximum delay on fresh channel.
No, don't go to that side. This maximum delay, it will not determine by you. If you alter any number here, it's totally error. What it will be bringing
The
out
machine will
is,
determine itself.
yes, automatically. So it doesn't, even if you check that laser carrier,
Yes.
you will see there's a sticker on it from the factory.
Yes.
They give you a rough estimate of delay.
Okay.
Are you getting it? So for we to approximate
Each
this
one,
now, here
the system
we
will be set.
approximate it.
System will be
We can have it 2.76 there. And if we have something like this 7 here, we can approximate to 7 to convert one. So, but as it is, on a normal, yes, it will determine by itself.
default.
Yes, default. So this is the initial stage, what we are having. Now, even we are talking about speed, right? Compare this. If you are to count laser between 26 and 55, I don't think you have up to 48. You cannot even up to 48. Maybe 30 something plus. Yeah? So it means we are using 30 something laser printing.
It has ignored all the other ones.
So now that we are input all the new one now, 29 is our high. Now that we have put all new one, then definitely that's what I'm saying. When you're asking about speed, I say no, you have already increased the speed by yourself. So that's just it. Is there any other thing?
yes.
Last second, I don't know you.
Bad. Exam jam question. Jam question.
No time.
Yes, I'm assisting.
So
No,
sir, I'm very, very scared now. Can you just pick some that we have treated? Sorry, because as I see this jam question, let's move so that we know where we are.
We have 5. One has been treated.
Yes.
One have been treated.
If we send job here,
Yeah.
it will pick the first column and drop the second column.
Okay.
Meanwhile, the machine, everything is in order.
Okay.
But once it pick, let me say, for example, cyan, it picks cyan column.
Okay.
It will now drop a yellow column. Not until when we come back here, do the load and unload, reset, go to self set before it now pick that's that same color that it dropped. After picking that color, it will still drop the immediate one.
So what is it when it dropped that one?
Yes.
What is an error that will prompt out there?
It doesn't show anything.
So we have to, if we were to solve a problem, there must be an error we want to solve the problem on. But if I can't get error code, there's nothing I will think about. The only thing I can set is your compressor, because load and unload. Compressor is the one that when the machine finish imaging, then it will push to the processor and accept the next one to come in. Then if there is no enough fluid, what's it called?
Air pressure.
Air pressure. Any slight timeout, it will bring an error. Then at the show error code, we know this is exactly
Each code has
every error has a code in the machine. So, but if you are having a problem without code, so let's check our connection either by compressor, if there's water much there, or vacuum. If it doesn't absorb the plate, as in frame the plate on the drum very well, so it might be
if it's vacuum,
the vacuum will not start. Then if it's compressor, two things.
You have the vacuum pump there.
yes, it's here now.
So if it's compressor, if it doesn't supply enough air, because it's programmed in such a way that it has to be recycling itself automatically, then at a particular time, not until all the air,
Where the vacuum pump?
I mean, it exhausts all the air before you release it. So that is about that. But the only thing I will ask you to do about that, without error code, try to note what could be the problem. Especially when plate want to, especially when it's finished, about to finish the one that is going,
exposing.
then you just wait and study. On a good day, immediately you finish, it will push it to outlet. Then the next one will be feeding. Then why that one stop? Why is terminate that one not to feed? So you will definitely see without even show that error code. But Adebi is a mechanical error. Definitely, sir, I think I'm communicating, sir. Definitely, if it is a mechanical error which has already programmed with the machine, there must be an error code. You know how. If we disable this, what's it called, air compressor totally now, you will get the error code there.
Okay. Maybe what I didn't take note of was what you just analyzed just now. But what I want to say is this. Let's say, for example, when we are doing the load and unload, this particular box used to write all this. Is it what you mean by
Then
the error code?
there's another problem. Then, sir, you are the one that even gave me the proof of what the major problem is. Okay. Do you see the valve?
The bypass.
They change the bypass. That is the major problem you are facing there. Thank you very much, sir, for even call my attention to that. Because I always reason it. Why you people always come here to come and research this thing?
Okay.
It's not done on a norm. It has to be operate on a normal. You don't even need to come here to source it. And maybe when you notice that initial stage when they brought this thing, when everything is normal, I don't think you usually
We
come
don't.
here.
We don't.
So, sir, thank you very much, sir.
Because work I did it.
Attention.
It was
Thank-
with
Yes, that exactly that's giving them issue in this area. That they are usually come here and reset before it. Because the valve is not sent on a normal way. Are you getting it? Yes. So I will take note of that valve, then I will report to my boss. I think he will tender to the management if we can get 2 extra valve switch, so that to bring it back to normal.
What's the type of valve?
It's
Is,
there.
the one that I show
The one
I
okay
show
with
there.
the clamp
It's
block.
Yes, for the plug.
Block.
It's working for the plug, it's working for
Clamp.
the cylinder,
Clamp.
the tail clamp, head clamp, tray, plate tray, and outdoor also. Then there's one that work for this plate
So are
bed.
you referring to this?
There's switch there also. This. Yes, this switch. And this is the way they cut. There's somewhere around here they join this one. So, and there's one is not working there, and there's one linking there. If you put this thing on, if you go to that side, you can hear the linkage. The reason I don't want to do that, I don't want to troubleshoot it. If it doesn't have replacement, but by the time you just try to adjust, it may not even take control. And once it's just out of it, that's all.
You've got mail.
Yeah, is it
That it is the switch we need.
not the switch?
Yes.
How does it look like?
That is the main switch. You don't have
What that picture?
Another thing when I collect.
I have one.
Huh?
Sir,
Does it have any